Hello everyone. This one assignment here is going to be drawing three boxes in 2-point perspective. One above the eye level line, one on the eye level line, and one below the eye level line. We start with a horizontal line across the middle of the paper, and then be sure to add your two vanishing points. Now I start with a vertical line above the eye level line, and from the top and bottom of this vertical line, I will draw back to the vanishing point. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. From the top of that vertical line, I'm going to draw back to the left vanishing point. From the bottom of that vertical line, I'm also going to draw back to the vanishing point. I want to put the back side on the box, so using a perfectly vertical line, I'm going to draw a vertical line to show the back side of the box. I'm going to go to the right side of the box and do the same. Now, from the back side of this box, I want to find that corner, and I'm going to take it back to my left vanishing point. Going to repeat this process on the other side. The bottom side of the box goes back to the right vanishing point. And now my box is complete, and I need to erase all the whisper lines. That's what we're going to call these lines, or whisper lines. I did it first with my small eraser, and then I'm going to come in with my large eraser and clean everything else up. So my box above the eye level line is finished. To do the on eye level line, a vertical line that begins over the eye level line and ends below the eye level line. Then I'm going to take the top and the bottom of this vertical line back to my right vanishing point. Notice I only went a ways back. I didn't have to go the whole way back, but make sure that you are lined up with your vanishing point. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side of the box. And then I'm going to finish up. Vertical line to show the back side of the box on the left side. Vertical line, keep this line vertical. I'm going to do it on the right side. Again, I'm going to come in and I'm going to clean up those whisper lines. And now I'm ready to start the box that's below the eye level line. I'm going to take my ruler and make a vertical line below the eye level line. Then from the bottom of that vertical line, I'm going to go back to my vanishing point, the bottom of the vertical line and the top of the vertical line. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. You'll find this is going to be very similar to the box that was above our eye level line. Going to draw a vertical line showing the back side of the box. Notice how I use my ruler to keep my line vertical. I don't want that line to be crooked. I want to make sure that it's nice and vertical. Now I'm going to take the back side of this box and go back to the eye level, or the vanishing point on the left side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, taking it back to the right side. Now notice the box that is below the eye level line, we see the top of it. Going to clean up my whisper lines. I'm also going to erase the eye level line as well, since I no longer need it. Now I'm going to begin to do some shading. I'm using a light source that's coming in from the left side of the boxes. We're going to have my primary shadow, my first shadow, is going to be fairly light, because if you think about it, and the light's coming from the upper left, it's going to be dark on the left side, but it's even going to be darker below the box. Using very careful strokes, I'm going to cross hatch until this value is darker than the value beside it. This value here is going to be very similar to the one above the eye level line. And then I'm going to finish up by shading the lower eye level box. And that is all.